Here comes Dustin. This is a 6-year-old buckskin walking horse. Why not ride the pretty buckskin on the trail ride so that everyone will comment and go, wow. And he's not a butthead. He's a very well-traveled, experienced, 15-hand, quiet trail horse. Loves people. Easy to get along with out in the pasture. You know, excellent ground manners. When we sell a horse, we like to give you some lessons and some groundwork so that you can have the same horse long after the sale. This is a nice boy. Call me. I'm Melissa Bailey. 540-303-0569.